Hey guys, Aaron here from BitBranding. I'm going to walk you through how to create a retargeting campaign through video engagement on one of your Facebook ads. The reason why you want to do this is because people who watch your video are a lot more engaged than those who are just silent or cold lurkers. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a business page set up, you have a Facebook ads account set up. If you have any questions about those, we do have videos on how to create both of those. Now this is assuming you already have that, you already have a video, and you're going to run an ad for that. So what we're going to do in here is go to our ads manager. This is a client dummy account that we have here. And I believe we could go over and see the ads. Now let's make sure that it's an actual video one. Okay, so we want to make sure that they have a video, and you can actually look here. The reason why I think this is important is the video view engagement. I'm gonna look lifetime since this is a long time ago. And you can see here that Sarah's experience here for a coffee shop, they had 381 10-second views, and we have a couple of them that are probably a little bit more than that. But let's just say we have 381 10-second views. What's good about that is that we know that the video is, and once it would load, the video is, let's see here if it'll actually show me, and we'll post notifications on Facebook. Okay, so this video is 30 seconds long. So anybody who watches the very beginning of this is gonna know what's going on here. And what we would like to do is create a retargeting campaign for people who watched the video but did not go to the landing page, or who watched the video, went to the landing page but did not convert. Maybe we could run a specific ad back to those people who watched the video, they were interested, but for whatever reason just did not sign up. So once you have your video, you make sure that it's a really good video, make sure you have really good content. That's really important. And then what you want to do is go over to the hamburger menu here on the left-hand side, click the drop down, go over to audiences. This is, it is over here on the left-hand side for me because I use this a lot, but you can make sure that you go over here to under assets. So I don't, okay. So go ahead and click audiences, and make sure you're still under the same account, client added campaigns. All right, and I already have one here for the video. Now you're not gonna always have them here because sometimes if the video runs out, which we'll get into in a second, if the video runs out of time or you run out of, I guess the days since you've run that ad, which for us has been, I think about a year or so that we've ran that ad, you may not have that audience still. But what we do here is go ahead and click Create Audience, Custom Audience, and then you would go to Use Facebook Sources, click Video, and choose the content type. All right, we're focused on people who have viewed at least 10 seconds of the video. You could also do 25%, 50% if you know the length of the video, but we're gonna do at least 10 seconds, and then choose the content type. Choose the video. Now make sure you click the right page. We would have to scroll down to find the video that we used here. Let's do it from the ad video ID. Campaign. There we go. Okay, so there we click this video. It would be easier for you to probably just click from the inside of here and do it from your Facebook page, but like I said, this video was run a while ago, so you'd want to choose from the campaign level. However, the video is created. So if you do it on your Facebook page, you would choose from that one, and you could choose from any of these. If you created a campaign, you could click campaign. I knew which one it was, so I click conversions. All right, then go ahead and click confirm. You'd want to see the sources there. Include views from Instagram and from Facebook. Okay, go ahead and click confirm. And you can do it in the last 365 days. Like I said, I think this is a little bit over 365 days, which you wouldn't look here. The number of days people will remain in your audience after they engage with your content. People will be removed from your audience after the set time period unless they engage with the content again. So basically, if they see the video once a year ago and they don't engage with that video again, they will eventually fall off. So it's very important to make sure you're timely with this. Obviously, this is just an example. You'd want to do this right away. Okay, then you want to name it or label it. So this would be, I think that it was buy one, get one. Big B coffee summer offer. And then you could put in more details about it below. And you could even put in here, I would say 10-second view. I use caps because I think it's easier to find it. And then I label it with a 10-second view just so it's easier for me. You can label it however you'd like, just make sure it's intuitive. And then here you could do 10-second video views, retargeting campaign. Just so you have something to label it off of. Go ahead and click create audience. And as it says here, it could take up to 30 minutes for the audience to populate. But once it is populated, you could go in and create using it. Go ahead and create an ad using this audience. Click that button. It's gonna pull up your ad account. There we go. And then you could actually create a new ad. Now, if we're not gonna get too technical here, but that's how you create the audience. You'd wanna go in there and remarket back to people, probably using a traffic or a reach campaign. But that is exactly how you are gonna create a retargeting ad campaign with a video views objective or a video views ad or creative that you've had before, and retarget the people who have watched your video. If you guys have any questions about this, make sure you leave a comment below. And if you're new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell, and make sure to like this video so that we can continue to create more content for you. And like I said, make sure that you comment below if you enjoyed this video or if you have further questions, and we'll be happy to do a tutorial over that as well.